Cancer. This is your channel messages for the 1st of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Cancer, let's go ahead and go into your birth chart tarot spread. Before though, your channel messages, the Lovers card, the Star, fame couple. Okay, so I'm getting Cancer, power couple. I'm getting you're in the eyes in the media. You want a girl or you want a guy to match you, but you need someone who compliments you, like how A$AP Rocky compliments Rihanna. What was that? What the fuck was that, right? Okay, so I'm getting is a power couple thing. Nevertheless, the Lovers card is what was trending around your energy, Cancer. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. This is the second to last reading I have, and I'm trying to do it before the lady come. Let's go. Your self-image is the angel, Cancer. You are an angel, and we always know that angels are blessing us anytime our Cancer diagnosis comes back to us and tell us that the patient has been going in remission. Okay, so if you have Cancer, I'm getting not anymore. You are in remission right now. I'm also getting you're connecting to a Sagittarius. Your value is a 4 of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting you coming back home from the hospital and everybody's there to greet you, to welcome you, or to say, we know you could do it, Cancer. You beat Cancer. I'm getting your angels. People believe you. I'm getting everybody about your feet, giving you gifts of... Is this enough, my lord? I'm getting they're giving you gifts. They're showing you their appreciation, that they believe you, they trust you, they have your back and you're protected, okay? Your communication is a magician. Yeah, people believe in your magic. People believe they can heal. People believe that you're not taking advantage of them. If you take from them, you will still break it and give them back if them don't have it. Your home life is I'm getting something about a death. Maybe somebody accused you of aiding someone's death, pushing somebody to kill themselves, or I'm getting somebody accused you of, somebody blamed something on you, someone's death on you, and I'm getting it wasn't your fault. Now everybody believed you and saw that you were telling the truth. Somebody say, yeah man, you push him for commit suicide. They didn't tell you he was on crack. Okay, great. Productivity is the 6 of Swords. The partnership is, your productivity is the 6 of Swords, which is theft. The partnership is a 7th sign, which is, the partnership is Libra. I don't know what this person did to you. I'm getting somebody thief something from you while you were legally married to them. So it's either them trick you into signing a prenup, them trick you into not getting alimony. Or me getting somebody had unfinished, me want to say someone had unfinished business with them dead ex. That's what I want to say. Their ex that is dead, they had unfinished business with the dead body of the ex before they would talk to you. That's what I want to say. We have 77, 2-7 here, which is a warning. Me getting the Libra man, or I don't know who I tried to set you up and I claim say you're dead. I don't know, me getting the Libra man get catch. Something about a funeral was a hoax. And then find out that the funeral is a hoax and the Libra man get catch. 77, 7 of Swords, 7 of Cups. Somebody said something when they were drinking that they shouldn't have said. Maybe they stage a funeral for inheritance. It's a Leo. We're getting something about a Leo. Something about on stage a Leo death, on stage is inheritance, or all I wanna cry at this ceremony. I'm getting everybody believe you now. Everybody said you were the liar, everybody said nothing go so, now them believe you. I'm getting everybody attend to you now. Them said they did not know. Maybe the person who was telling the lies on you was in the justice system. You were just a daughter of Christ. That does not carry a lot of weight when it comes on to the courtroom, you understand? What's the philosophy? The Emperor. Maybe the Emperor is the one who did the investigation. And the Emperor said, yeah, you know, so the Libra lie, the Leo lie. We have to protect them now. And every time I see this card, I get... Baby, come wine pon your seat, come give me that. Jump up on me like aminal. Is it aminal? Sneaky. Wine me seen like carnival. I'm on lock Neil down like criminal. One feeling like 1,000,000. Neil just saw watch me like I seen him. Neil? Neil? Yeah, Neil. She loves Neil. In the middle of all of these beautiful online community services, but upon YouTube, baby gyrate your waist like when Mr. Mr. Oh, please believe me. Neil, I am tested, approved, and trusted. 2,800 videos. Neil, come wine for me, see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Wine for your seat like animal. I'm a lock Neil down like criminal. One fuck feeling like 1,000,000. People just watch Neil like a cinema. Wine for the thing like carnival. Make sure Mohan just know to do it like this. Mohan, believe me. My tarot readings are tested, approved, and trusted. Tested, approved, and Mr. Mohan, believe me. My readings tested, approved, and trusted. It is tested, approved, and in the middle of all of the social media websites in this world, me dep on YouTube reading tarot, come and know say me like the way them watch me. Neil gyrate your waistline, me reading tarot for you. Just calm down, give me the plaque, turn around now. Neil, come wine pon your seat, come give me that. Jump up on the reading like I'm in now. Wine pon the thing like Jada Kingdom. One fuck feeling like 1,000,000. Neil, just up, Neil. Neil. One chassis, the way you put her, make it too fantastic. Make you no blind me with your Neil. When you see me riding for the money, come into me running to the money. Make me feel like it's a different type. Anything you like. Neil, what you want, Neil? Neil, what you want, Neil? Tested, approved, and oh, please, please. See, this is why they can't send me to public schools, because they know that. They know that I'll never last. Anyways, that's our Neil. So I'm getting Neil is protecting you. No, I'm joking. I'm getting the Empress protecting you, okay? So this is good. This is great. Logic. What is your ambition? We have the counterpart. Sorry. Wrong track. Ooh. Ghetto. Neil, this is why I was dancing. Tested, approved, and Neil, Emperor and Empress. Neil, please believe me. Tested, approved, and trusted. Neil, tested, approved, and Emperor and Empress. So you're getting protected now, okay? You're an angel now. Everybody believe you. Everybody see that you are worth it. Maybe you are going through a hazing. You had to pass it. Hazing going to make you feel like no matter what you do, you're not good enough. Just like how no matter what your mother did, she was not good enough for that man who left her. So if Neil can believe in me, that man can believe in your mother too. Believe me. Anyways, 2 more and I'm fucking done. Your community is a 9 of Cups, and your inner self is a Chariot. So I'm getting something is tested, approved, and trusted. I'm getting something about a cancer, something about a police officer, or I'm getting something about the security has been heightened. I'm getting something is coming into union now. And now them need a lot of security around them. Cause me getting one big lie was told on you, and everybody, I don't know if people are gonna literally come to you and apologize and say, listen, I'm sorry that I believe this, I'm sorry that this wasn't true. But me getting, you can see that people start to be very nice to you. And you'll be like, why is she talking to me? Why is she nice to me? It's because she's sorry for believing a lie. That's why. And I don't know who made sure that the lie was clarified. I mean, I know if I want Libra, Aries, Capricorn, or Neil. Buck? Is it Buck? Is it Buck? Dada? Buck? Yeah, Buck. She loves Buck. Okay? Let's go. After they saw that guy with his daughter, every other celebrity started bringing them kids. That guy was one of the first guys to bring daughters on, and his daughter is well behaved. Well behaved. After he brought his daughter on and she said she loved Buck, every blood clot athlete are slow with them baby on them hand. And some of them baby them can't talk, some of them babies are not for the camera, some of your kids are not stars at all, but you just want to make them have camera time to look funny. You want your kid to just make it seem like them actually listen to what the fuck you're doing in life. That little girl was so, after that video, when she said that Buck, yeah, she loves every athlete sitting with them baby. Every single one. Steph Curry, after Steph Curry saw that, he said to this baby, this is what the fuck happened. We have beers. Did I carve? Did I get a beer? Yeah, fame couple. Oh my god! That's what I'm talking about, the fame couple. Cancer, what are reading me on the cancer? Now you're reading me on the cancer? So the bumble clock this. Cancer, no one chariot this. This is Cancer. This is yours. You're reading. And remember the message was the Lover's card, the Star, Power Couple. So the Power Couple here is the Emperor and the Empress. So that's where the China messages came from. Bears. We have I've sold my soul. We have maybe friends, maybe more. We got underrated, and we have Capricorn. I'm going to leave it here until next time.